Hey everyone, I'm Leo from Rick's Review Hub, and I'm super stoked to talk about the AOSU security cameras 4-cam kit. If you want peace of mind with top-notch home security without breaking the bank, this solar-powered system might be your perfect match. Let's jump in. First, let's break down what makes this kit awesome. This 4-camera set offers 2K color night vision with 360-degree pan and tilt for full coverage. It's 100% wire-free, powered by built-in solar panels that need just 3 hours of sunlight daily to stay charged. The Homebase stores 32 GB of encrypted footage, giving you up to 2 months of loop recording with no subscription fees. The AOSU app lets you watch live feeds from all 4 cameras at once, control settings, and get instant motion alerts. Features like auto-tracking, two-way audio, and cross-camera syncing make it smart and user-friendly. It's easy to install, just drill 3 holes per camera, and works with 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi. Now the pros. The 2K video is crystal clear day or night, and the color night vision catches details like clothing or car colors. Setup takes about 5 minutes per camera, and the solar power means no battery swaps or wires. The app is intuitive with customizable alerts, and no monthly fees is a huge win. Users rave about the responsive customer service and long-lasting battery. On the con side, it's priced around $370, which might feel steep for some. The Homebase only supports 4 cameras, so no adding extras like a doorbell. Some users mention occasional app lag or tracking glitches, though firmware updates often fix these. Who's this for? If you want a reliable, subscription-free security system for your home or small business, this kit is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for tech-savvy folks or anyone wanting low-maintenance surveillance, but if you need more than 4 cameras, you might need a different system. Ready to secure your home? Click the link in the description for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's keep your home safe.